Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center model VF2, serial number 21206. Machine was new in 2000. It is a 4-axis machine. You have the rotary table on there. You have a Haas control. The machine has coordinate and scaling, visual quick code, spindle orientation, also DNC. That's your 4th axis. Machine is a 40 taper, Cat 40. It has a 20 ATC. A number 2 Haas VF2 has 30-inch X, 16Y, 20Z. That's your X-axis travel. Your Y. And your Z. Machine again is Cat 40. It has a Haas programmable coolant nozzle. For the coolant, you have that 20 ATC umbrella style. Simulating a tool change. Simulating a tool change again. All right. That's 4,000 RPM. Machine is a 7,500 RPM machine, 2-speed gearbox. 5,500. That's 5,600 RPM. All right. I think that's about all she wrote. Hey, thank you for watching our video.